Experiencing a blank map on your Garmin eTrex 22x can be frustrating, but it's usually a software-related issue, not a hardware failure. This problem typically arises from corrupted, incompatible, or missing map files. As of April 2026, firmware updates and community tools have significantly reduced these incidents. We'll guide you through the common causes and how to resolve them. Remember, the eTrex 22x uses Garmin's IMG format and requires specific map projections. Let's get your maps working again. One of the primary reasons for a blank map is file corruption. This can occur during incomplete downloads or due to errors on your microSD card. Another common cause is format incompatibility. The eTrex 22x needs specific map projections and resolutions. Using unsupported formats such as direct exports from Google Earth can lead to display failures. Finally, missing base maps can also cause issues, as overlays require a base layer for terrain and satellite imagery to function correctly. The first step in fixing a blank map issue is to properly format your SD card. Ensure it's formatted to FAT32. This is the most compatible format for the eTrex 22x. Back up any important data from the SD card before formatting, as this process will erase all existing files. After formatting, you'll be ready to reinstall your map files cleanly. A clean SD card reduces the risk of file corruption and ensures compatibility. Garmin Basecamp is your best tool for managing and reinstalling maps on your eTrex 22x. Connect your device to your computer and launch Basecamp. Use Basecamp to download maps from Garmin's website or authorized sources. Basecamp validates files during transfer, reducing the risk of corruption. Ensure you're downloading the correct map regions and versions for your device. This step helps prevent incompatible or outdated map files from causing further issues. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause map rendering errors on your Garmin eTrex 22x. Use Garmin Express to check for and install the latest firmware updates. Connect your eTrex 22x device and check for updates. As of late 2025, firmware version 4.2.1 has improved map rendering stability. This update addresses corruption in certain map files and ensures compatibility with newer formats. Regular firmware updates are crucial for optimal device performance. When Garmin's troubleshooting methods don't resolve the blank map issue on your eTrex 22x, community-driven solutions offer effective alternatives. Open-source utilities like MapFix, a community fork of existing tools, can validate and repair map files before you install them on your device. MapFix identifies and fixes common errors in map files, such as corruption or formatting issues, improving the chances of successful rendering on your eTrex 22x. For safety, always download these tools from trusted community sources to avoid malware or additional file corruption. Community support provides valuable alternatives and guidance for resolving persistent blank map issues on your Garmin eTrex 22x. In 2025, a group of hikers on the Appalachian Trail encountered blank maps on their eTrex 22x due to outdated topo maps. They used a smartphone hotspot to download a MapFix patch and successfully resolve the issue within 30 minutes. Similarly, in 2024, a kayaker in the Amazon faced a blank display due to corrupted third-party map files, forcing them to rely on manual waypoint entry using GPS coordinates. These examples highlight the importance of pre-trip map validation and the potential for quick fixes to prevent emergencies. Always validate your maps before heading out. Handheld GPS technology is evolving. Trends point towards integration with smartphones and cloud services. Consider pairing your eTrex 22x with apps like Gaia GPS for real-time updates, reducing reliance on physical map files. User adoption of subscription-based map services is increasing, offering dynamic updates. Future firmware updates may include AI-driven map validation, potentially auto-repairing corrupted files. Stay informed about the latest updates and community solutions to ensure your eTrex 22x remains a reliable navigation tool.